Hey everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to replace the battery on your Honeywell thermostat. I'll be showing you two ways on two different models. So if you're like me and you have no idea what model you even have because you didn't install it, or you threw away the box or threw away the instructions, and for some reason Honeywell doesn't print their model numbers in a clear location on their thermostats, well, this video is for you. So if you do happen to look at your thermostat every now and then, you may notice a low battery indicator flashing on your screen. If not, or you chose to run it dry like I did, now the display is just completely blank. So the first one I'm going to show you how to replace is this older style one. To detach the battery housing, you actually just gently push down on kind of these slits at the top right here, and then you kind of pull to the right. And it seems like you can also pull all the way to the right to completely remove it, but you can see based on the installation location for this one, it's a little bit blocked. So actually I'm able to pull to the right a little bit and then pull upwards. And then from here, I am able to completely remove the battery housing. So I go ahead and take out these dead batteries and replace it with new ones. So these ones take two AAA batteries. So do pay attention to where the positive and negative terminals are located. So you just match it up with the indication printed on the battery housing, slip them back in, and then just do the reverse process to put the housing back into the thermostat. And then immediately you should see the digits appear on the screen. Now, if you check the side of your thermostat and you just don't see that kind of tab, you may have one that the whole front panel just comes off. Like this one, the Honeywell Home that I have here. Now, this one's not low battery, but for the sake of demonstration, I'll show you where the batteries are located. So if you look at the bottom here, there's kind of a little indentation showing that you can kind of remove the top panel. So just go ahead and pull outwards from the bottom, and then you should see the exposed wires, and behind the front panel you can see the two AAA batteries that are housed there. So this is actually a little bit more convenient. The whole front part comes off, so you go ahead and just remove the batteries. Again, pay attention to the positive and negative terminal directions for both batteries, slip them back in, and then go ahead and re-clip on the front panel, and you are good to go. So it's as simple as that, folks, how to replace your battery on two different design Honeywell thermostats.